With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A bag contains 7 green, 4 white, and 5 red balls. If 4 balls are drawn one by one with replacement, what is the probability that one is red? We have to define some event like x is a variable which is defined as the number of red balls drawn from the total 16 balls with replacement. There is a condition that is with replacement, and x follows a binomial distribution with n equal to 4. Now we have to find the value of p and q. With the help of p and q, we have to find the answer. The value of p will be 5 by 16. So 5 is the red balls and 16 is the total number of balls. And we know how to find q, that is 1 minus p. The value of p will be 5 by 16. Then q equal to 11 by 16. After that, p of x equal to r, that is 4cr. 5 by 16 is the value of p to the power r. 11 by 16 is the value of q to the power 4 minus r. Now we have to find the probability that one ball is red, that is p of x equal to 1. Now put the values, that is 4c1, 5 by 16 to the power 1, 11 by 16 to the power 4 minus 1. We need to more simplify. The value of 4c1 will be 4. 5 by 16, then 11 by 16 to the power 4 minus 1 will be 3. Then we got 5 by 4, 11 by 16 to the power 3.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.